Let's talk about the Cane Corso. We have a genetic disease in there that's we have to be really careful with, which is DSRA, skeletal retinal anomaly.
Okay, so what can I say about the disease? It's relatively recent that it was identified, and we're in an very interesting era, time, because of the DNA technologies that are available now, which the power of them. A disease can arise and it can be studied, and a mutation can be identified, and a DNA test can be put in place very quickly. And that's pretty much what's happened with this disease. It was identified in Europe. It was studied. A DNA test was put in place. It seems to be a good validation. Yes, this is the mutation that is the cause of the disease. It's recessive, which means, once again, the problem is with the animal. With the double mutation, he's a sick animal. But the other problem is the carrier animals that are healthy. Still, the disease is something to be aware of. And if and the DNA tests are there, and as a conscientious breeder, you should be testing your animals used for reproduction for sure. We're in a good period of time for eliminating the simple genetic diseases that we've put up with for sometimes for decades and decades. Now we can start eliminating them, or we already have. New diseases will continue to come up. How come? Because mutations are natural, and the way we breed the dogs is such that we concentrate their genetics. Once again, they're good genetics and they're bad genetics, and so these diseases will continue to pop up occasionally. But now we're in a position that we can identify them, we can do something about them, we can get a DNA test, we can eliminate them, and actually quite quickly, such that a particular disease might be associated just with one pedigree for a breed, and then it's snuffed out.